5.5 down. 5.5 down. Yeah, I'm going to step off the limb now. That's one small step for man. Yeah, I'm going to step off the limb now. Blue, we're breathing again. Thanks a lot. Yeah, I'm going to step off the limb now.
Okay, Houston, we've had a problem here. This is Houston. Say again, please. Houston, we've had a problem. We've had a maybe plus audible.
Breathing again. Thanks a lot. I'm going to step off the limb now. That's one small step for man. Sequence start. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0.
Welcome to the Dobsonian Power Live. Bam! Here we go to the eclipse of the year, the total eclipse on a peninsula, Iberian Peninsula. I'm in Portugal, and we will have great views of it.
Planet Earth, continent Europe, country Portugal, region Algarve, 37 latitude, Bortle 5.
I have the place for the telescope will be at the roof. Everything should be alright. I'm starting a bit earlier. We still have 50-60 minutes for the eclipse to start. But I have a countdown there. Well, I need to update it. But I have a countdown, and we will be preparing the telescope because I need time to make sure everything will be alright. Otherwise, the eclipse will not be possible to view. So we need to place the telescope carefully. First, I will check the minutes for the eclipse and update, because this is, you know. How are you? How are you? My fierce warrior, thank you for gifting 10 new members. Let me check. So it will be around 67. think it should be less than that, man. Let's do it. I think it should be less. Let me check with our beloved friend AI to make sure. Oof, I'm so nervous with this, and look that I streamed for years. But this eclipse... No, it's less. No, it's at 6:42 here. It's correct. Okay, we are fine now with the countdown rolling. So if you have to go and come back, you know already the time that it's left. I'm freaking nervous with this eclipse. I don't know what's happening. Many things changing, little things in my life. Today as well. This will be, most likely, yes it will be, the last time we will watch the sun with this setup. I will upgrade it. Thank you, my fierce warrior. Welcome everyone to the Serenity. For the ones that are new here, we watch everything, any event in the sky in real time. Asteroids, comets, meteor showers, UFOs, everything. Today it's the eclipse, and right after the eclipse, the Perseids meteor shower and UFO hunt. It might be a surprise, man. We don't know. Oh god. I just want to have the sun here, and I will be relieved. Besides, I don't have a good air conditioner. I'm here, frying. Sharon Whitney, thank you for gifting 5 Dobsonian Power memberships as well, man. Thank you so much, Sharon. And D Watts as well for renewing your membership. Thank you so much. So now I will do it. I need to be focused on what I'm going to do. I will place a telescope at the roof, okay? Hold on a minute.
If you like this kind of content, remember to subscribe and hit the notification bell to stay up to date with videos and live streams.
Okay, I think everything... Camera... Oof. Thank you. Melissa Harper, thank you so much for sending 50 Dobsonian Power membership. 50 new members to the Serenity.
You are an explorer.
I think everything is changing today for better. At least it's what I feel here in my life. I will have a new air conditioner. Now I'm sweating a lot already, man. But today I will crank it up. It will put ice on it. Because it's damaged. It has a leak. And this new setup that I will have, it will be much faster and easier for me to do this. It will be amazing to watch solar events and things in the sun. Way better. Okay. First part done. Second. Now I will disconnect the camera. Pete, thank you so much for being member for 25 months, man, more than 1 year. More than 1 year with us, thank you so much. And David Jones, David, you are like a rock now. Like a rock. Strong like a rock. Thank you so much for the super chat. Karate Cat, thank you so much for the super chat. Peace, love and positivity. It's all we need. All we need today. It will be awesome. It will work and it will be awesome. Let's start the second part.
Connecting telescope. Telescope connected. Permission to watch the sun. Permission granted. Calibrating. Moving telescope. Telescope is moving.
The loss of gravity. Look, I'm floating.
Opening software. Connecting camera. Camera connected. Everything flawless till now. Searching for the sun. Let's go to the King Sun. Telescope moving. Trying to find the sun. Thank you, Trisha. Thank you so much for upgrading to Super Explorer. I think we are close. There we go. Please work. Oh, God, it's exploding.
It's exploding here. Now let's see if he stands still, because the other day had a glitch, and that's the problem with this mount. That I will replace as soon as I receive the new one. And it will not have these kind of problems. Let's see. I think it's good. Trish upgraded for Super Explorer. Thank you so much. You are now a super.
You are a super explorer.
Thank you so much. Look, what we have here, this will be amazing, because we will watch during the eclipse, and there's a massive explosion right now in the sun, man. Look at this. You see it? What is this shape? Is there a spaceship here sucking everything from the sun? A cloaked one. That's why this disc. It has a disc, man. Look, I zoomed the sun a bit more. Look, from yesterday. It is a bit more zoomed in. Just a bit, so I can have room here for something that can happen. I think this is the sweet spot. And I tell you why I did this. Thank you for Deborah Reese for the super sticker. Thank you so much. And third rail to becoming a member. Welcome.
You are an explorer.
I will explain to you why I zoomed in a bit, while I could have, like yesterday, a bit more zoomed out, and the sun will be a bit smaller, but we will have more space. I'll tell you why. Because to zoom out, I use another special device. And the more I zoom in with this setup, the better. To watch details. And this is the sweet spot, so we can see the detail here. You see? Yesterday I noticed that some of the details were not well visible. For example, the filaments that now we can see, and that grainy surface of the sun, of the chromosphere that we are watching. Thank you, Capri, for sending 5 new members to the Serenity spaceship. Welcome, everyone.
You are an explorer.
That's a big explosion, yes. In real time, man. We can try to enhance it. Well, it's working flawless right now. Everything is working fine. I just have to keep it centered. Maybe I'll do like this. Alright. We have... Man, this is wrong. This countdown, I will take it off. It's not 1 hour. No. It's less than 1 hour. This countdown that I just found. It's no good. It's at 42. It's less than 1 hour. I think when I change the scenes... No. Two, 1. But it works. 6, 558, 557, 6, 5, 4. Yeah, it's when I change the scene. Only if I change here. That can be. I will take off the countdown. I will tell you. What a shame. The countdown will be good. Let me see if there's any feature that I can do. No. Well, no countdown. I will have another one that I have here that will not mess with it. We'll check the explosion on NASA as well. The sun is exploding right now, man. Super big, man. Look at this. And we will enhance it as well. You will see with us, Daniel, don't worry. Countdown to the trash. Right. Now I will put a different countdown that I have. Hold on. So we can track it accurately. So, how many minutes? Let me ask AI. AI is smarter than me, no? The laziness. So we start asking everything to AI. Tell me, AI. 46 minutes, so I'll put 45. Well, we just need roughly... Well, 43 is fine, so we will be prepared. This is fine like this. 1 minute in advance. And I just opened this when we want to... Right. Okay, like this. Now let's enhance this first. Man, it's getting brighter here. Look, look. You see? Ahead of the eclipse. This is weird. What a big explosion. Usually we have smaller, and it's only here. Usually we have smaller ones, like yesterday we had here. It's gone. There's nothing there. Well. It looks like a disc shaped. Can it be that they will, well, we'll have the moon covering. Set the mothership to refuel. They won't see it. They won't see it. They won't see it. They will watch the sun, but they won't see it. It will be covered by the moon. Let's try to enhance this. Hold on. This is crazy, man. What's happening with the sun? Oh, this is too much. This is too much. This is too much. What are you doing? There's a kind of a tornado here, and then there's something that looks flat, man. It looks like a disc, a flat disc, no? And something here hitting a wall, no? You know, Deborah, thank you so much for gifting 5 new members. You know when we, I don't know, if you set fire into a wall, it does like that narrow structure of fire, but then it hits the wall and it spreads, no? Because it has a wall there. It looks like an invisible thing there. Let me try to soften this. Yeah, because this is the sun, that's why this is so pinkish. You see? Or the water, when you pour the water and then it starts to make like a lake, no? It's a freaking spaceship.
It's a freaking... What is this? It's a freaking spaceship.
What is this? Testing.
Testing.
Something happened with the eclipse today. Everything, it's the energy. The plasma.
A freaking spaceship.
What the heck happened here? It's plasma. Yes, it is. This is plasma. But it's with a shape that is unusual. Usually we have something go... Let's watch on NASA. Right? Let me pull a NASA actual picture so we can see. Meanwhile, the countdown, let me check. Okay, 38 minutes. We are fine. Man, it's working flawless today. Thank God. Let's go to NASA. Hold on. I'll pull immediately the actual picture. Well, they don't show... Well, it has a bit of delay comparing with mine because mine it's in real time. They do it with a delay, you know. But definitely there's something here. It's this that we are watching, you see, this region. And there's something here as well. This is a filament. Another filament. There's another explosion here, a small one, and another here, and loads of spikes here. Hold on. Loads of spikes here at the top, at the North Pole. And here it's that region that we are watching live. But this is in the past. Our is in real time. So this is from NASA. There's another small one here. Well, there's a loop here. Maybe it's still there something. Maybe it's still there something. Well, no. It was a small one. Well, very small. That one is the big one. Let me see the spikes here. No. Well, nothing special. What the heck is this here? Spit a bit of plasma to space or what? Or it's...
Okay.
Beam me up, Mr. Spock.
You go from the left, I go to the right. Okay. The spaceship, I mean. Refuel while the moon is over the sun, they can see us. Thank you so much, Martin Jones. Thank you so much. Thank you for your kind words and the super chat. And Chris Green as well. This is second super chat, 1 month away. 2-3 years with Dobsonian Power channel. Bam! Chris Green is in the house. Thank you, Chris. Always with us, always. Always, I love it.
Prometheus.
And can it be? Real time now. Still the same. Still the same. Bumping into a wall, man. No. A flash of plasma. This is real time here. Let's see if I can adjust. Look, and the filaments, let me check the filaments. You see? You see? Look at it. Look at it. I'm sure it will do something in a few minutes. Man, it will be awesome to see the eclipse swallowing this, man. Let's see the filaments if they are better. Now we can see something here. You see? In the right side of the limb. It's that loop. Coming down now. Let me recenter the telescope. That will be... While I don't have the new mount, that will be something that I will have to do during the live stream. No problem at all. Let's see the filaments. Well, today we can see the filaments. A sunspot here. Look. You see why I zoomed in a bit? We can see a sunspot here. Another here. And the filaments. There we go. The one that I showed you here. And another one here. Right that. Look. You see? But to see that thing, I will have to crank it up. Bam. Man. The sun. The sun is doing it. Deborah, thank you for being member for 70 months. And Missy Lager for sending 1 Dobsonian Power membership. Thank you, both of you.
You are an explorer.
Look, today we have something very special, which is this setup showing all of these features during the eclipse. GR Astro, thank you for sending 5 Dobsonian Power memberships. Thank you so much. And not only that, we will have a planetary alignment. Right after this live stream, you don't need to do anything if you are here. Let it roll. Go do your dinner or lunch or whatever you are doing at home and let it roll. And then it will automatically skip to jump to the Perseids meteor shower with UFO hunt. This will be many hours today here. I will have my dinner meanwhile. I think after the eclipse I will order my dinner. Matthew, thank you so much for sending 1 Dobsonian Power membership. Hello from Turkey. Hi Turkey. I have a question. When we watch the skies at pitch black, we can always see little spots moving. Are they satellites? Because they are not meteors. Thank you. That's what the work we do here in the series of UFO Hunt. UFO Hunt, we do different series in this channel. If you go here to the channel, you have right at home page the past live stream, so the latest things. You have lunar anomalies, Google Maps anomalies, cosmic anomalies, solar anomalies, Earth science and global anomalies, conversations with Avila Web. And you have, in the past live streams, you will see the UFO hunt, for instance, here. UFO hunt. I don't have the playlist here. UFO hunt. Where you see UFO hunt, it's that work you see here. Look, 16 episodes. You see? UFO hunt. Here, with these sessions, what we do is precisely what you want to know. It's to distinguish what is a plane, what is an helicopter, what is a drone, what is a satellite. There are different satellites that we have been noticing with different colors, the bluish ones, the other ones. What is a meteor? What is something that looks like a meteor but it isn't? We don't know very well. Might be space debris as well. What is the International Space Station that is visible as well? The Tiangong Space Station as well. And what is not any of that and can be perfectly
A freaking spaceship.
That's what we want. So it's a learning process with this camera has very good detail. We can distinguish very well. If we have doubts, we go back and check the footage because I'm recording everything. And eventually we'll find, well, so far we found some UFOs, very weird objects that have no explanation. They were not marked in the flight radar. They were not marked anywhere. So, over the ocean. The camera is very good, and I ordered another one that will be even better. Even with more detail. Just wait, man. So to know, we have to distinguish, to know how to distinguish. Thank you, Dini Greina, for gifting 5 new members to the crew. So the countdown right now, let me check. 28. For the ones that just joined us, we are doing right now the real-time monitoring with a special telescope that allows us to see, man, it's changing now. To see these features in the sun, it's changing now. And right after this, we will watch, after the solar eclipse, we will watch the Perseids meteor shower. I have to tell you, the last UFO hunt we did with that camera, we found, we watched a very big, massive meteor there. Let's enhance that. It's different now. It's different now. Let me see if I can change here something. All fine. It's changing now. It's disappearing or what? Man, the timer, Chuck, the timer goes on and off. That's why I wanted to put the other one. This timer goes on and off. I can't have it here right now like this. I have it here, but if I click here, it's gone. You see? This was the last minute thing. I'll pull it. I'll pull it. It's different now, man. The explosion, no. Let's see if I can make it better. Weirdly, it's different now. Like this. They are sucking energy from the sun for sure. Now it's better in real time than like this. Look. Maybe it's this that it's too much. Thank you so much. Vedka, thank you so much. It's me, Wizard. Austin Riley, no fear. Yeah, Austin, welcome back. Look, Austin, if you should change the name, otherwise we don't know you. Thank you so much for the super chat. Also, Bobby, thank you so much. 25 months of membership. Thank you, thank you, thank you for being always with us. Greetings from Macedonia. From here, only 2.8% will be visible. Plus, I have clouds, and as the weather approaches, I have stronger and stronger wind. Well, I have to tell you that here we don't have any cloud. It's perfect, the weather. It's perfect. Thank you so much. Sucking plasma for fuel. Yes, 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 yes.
A freaking spaceship.
Now it's better. Could be something... Well, let me see if I can better focus this. Let me see if it's centered. I will mess with the focuser to see if sometimes it changes, you see. Hold on. Let me check. The best I can get here. I don't know. This is the best we can get right now. Suck that energy, baby. Suck it, suck it. The moon will cover us, don't worry. They won't see us. But Captain, they are all pointing towards the sun today, I don't know why. Are they crazy on Earth? Well, doesn't matter. Suck it and go. AV Miller, thank you so much for gifting 10 Dobsonian Power memberships. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. Let's try it again. Let's try it again. Oh man, this is so cool. Come on, come on. Oh, it's too much. It's too much, it's too much. It's too much, it's too much. All right, now it's better. Oh, it's better. Yeah, they are sucking something here. Look, it bumps into an invisible wall and makes this lake of plasma. And this is huge. The Earth will be a small dot here. You see? Very small. Let me see if there's something else here. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Roy, the Flying Dutchman. Thank you, thank you, thank you, Roy. Dear Tiago, thank you for your effort always. Bam! Thank you, Roy. I love it, I love it. I love it. Oh, a 111 here, a trident. Trident. Yeah, still there. Definitely. Definitely still there. The freaking thing sucking whatever it is here. Can we spot something? It's cloaked. It's cloaked.
The freaking spaceship.
It's cloaked. The freaking spaceship here. It's like, you know, like here. And below, it's where they suck the energy to the engine. And we can't see anything. That's why they are here. Don't worry. They won't see anything. We are cloaked. Ha 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 ha. Yeah, man. Who knows? Who knows what the heck is this? Animals are acting strange now. They know. They know, they know, they know, they know, they know. They know. Thank you. Thank you so much for the super chat, Daniel. Super chat. Ooh. Countdown. Let's see. 20 minutes to go. 20 minutes.
20 minutes to 7 seconds without gravity.
20 minutes to 7 seconds without gravity. Every day is a great day on the Serenity, but days like today get my energy flowing. Thank you, Tiago, and great to see everyone. Thank you, David. I'm glad that you are with high energy. It's our goal here to have everybody with high energy. Thank you so much for the super chat. It's a special day, man. We will see the eclipse from here, from Algarve. For the ones that don't know, I'm streaming from here. I'm a privilege. Then next year again, man, in the 2nd of August, we'll have even better. It won't be on Spain, but as I am near Africa, I'm streaming from here.
Planet Earth. Continent Europe. Country Portugal. Region Algarve. 37 latitude Bortle 5.
I had lots of stuff to show you about eclipse and whatever, but I'm so hypnotized by this structure in the sun that I hope it's still there. Man, can you imagine the eclipse coming and they... Let's go, it's full. To Alpha Centauri. Marcel, thank you so much for renewing your membership. Marcel Cologne, do you know what is Cologne? It's a city, but it's also here. A perfume? No. And Chuck, what are you doing, Chuck? You are a moderator, don't need, man. Chuck, gifting 10 Dobsonian Power memberships. What's happening with you today? It's the eclipse or what, Chuck? It's the eclipse. Man. Celebrating 3 months of membership. You know that I forward all of this to eat first, me and my family, but to things to the channel, man. I ordered stuff that is cool. To the UFO hunt, to everything, man. To the solar, you will see, man. I will place the telescope pointing to the sun in just a few seconds, man. It's crazy, man. It's crazy what I purchased. With a fine track. So the sun series, to the UFO hunt, to the asteroids, the near-Earth asteroids, to capture better data to show to MPC, Minor Planet Center. Man, I can't believe that there's people that don't believe that I'm doing that work without winning any money with it. Look. Remember we watched here the 220p McNaught object? Look here, that is super bright. Look here. This is the observation table. At the observation table you have the white ones, that means visual observations. They are not so accurate as the camera. The green ones means camera observations, well done. So they have green light. The red ones are junk. They are with problems. People did something wrong. And here, well, there are much more. My code is fair AC. It's here, look. Look. Fair AC here. My code, my observatory, my Excalibur. Here. Here. And on Minor Planet Center as well. It's Dobsonian Power Observatory. Contributing to this analysis of the brightness of the object that went bright a lot. It went bright a lot. The McNaught. Thank you, Los Ataros. Thank you. Greetings to Greece. Greetings to Greece. Algarve. Weather is perfect, David. Thank you for renewing, Los Ataros. Thank you for renewing. Now let's take this off and check the countdown to the eclipse. And still there, exactly the same. They are still sucking the sun. It's the energy. Countdown. Oh, 15 minutes to go. Only 15 minutes to go. There we go. We'll see the eclipse starting. It will be magical. So you see, I report my scientific data to these institutions, these astronomical institutions. The thing is, the fact that I do here this show, that doesn't disqualify me. Why? Because I'm childish doing this and saying this might be a freaking spaceship sucking the plasma? Why? Am I hurting anybody? No. Thank you, Melissa Sharper. Melissa, thank you so much. 50 Dobsonian Power memberships, man. All to the queue. To the Serenity. One at a time, please.
Excalibur.
Look, I'm very childish, I know. I like. But I'm professional as well when I want. As I'm doing right now. This is a highly professional view of the sun you won't see anywhere. Why? Because everyone is watching in white light, the sun. White light is the light that we see from the sun. We shouldn't do. You shouldn't watch to the sun directly. Might hurt your eyes. That's white light. And the telescope with a regular filters and watch white light. You see in white light the sunspots and eclipses, of course. But that's it. I'm using a special device that has a hydrogen alpha filter with more stuff there, built there, that allows us to watch the chromosphere of the sun. Not the photosphere, the chromosphere. The chromosphere has that grainy stuff with the filaments that I just watched with you when I crank down the exposure, and allows us to watch the prominences. Plasma explosions in the limb, in the edge of the sun. There might be an explosion here. We won't see because we don't have contrast to watch it. But we can see flares and things like that, as we saw here, X-flares. When we see brightness, for instance, here, there's nothing happening strong here. You see, it's very... the sunspot here and all very homogeneous. But when a flare explodes, and we watched it oftentimes in real time here, it gets super bright because it gets super hot. Hotter than the rest of the region around it. And that's why we see those bright spots in the sun. Right now, there's nothing there happening. The filament here, that can explode as well. A filament and another filament here. And another sunspot here. And the grainy stuff, the faculae, it calls. The faculae. And I crank up this, and it boosts these features in the sun, man. That are crazy. Where is the freaking spaceship? It's gone or what? Let's adjust the telescope. It's hidden by what we call vignette. Something that the cameras have. Let me adjust this. All right, there we go with the freaking spaceship. There we go. Yeah, still there. Countdown. 10 minutes to go. Oof. Oof. This will be... Today will be hours and hours of live stream. Helen, thank you so much. Always entertain your inner child, Captain. Always, always. Always. It gives me life. I don't care what others think about it. It's having fun. Yes, it is, man. I'm Gen X, man. I still like to do things that Gen Xers, you know. And sometimes I feel nostalgic about certain things that we did in the past that I don't see people doing now. No, it will start at the same moment. Don't worry. It's in here will be 9 minutes. I have here a website. Well, I don't want to open websites, man. I want to watch the sun. It's almost there. It's not Eclipse, this, Loki. This is the vignetting. The thing that I told you. That will happen. Can you imagine me? No, it's earlier. The eclipse, it's earlier. Look for the anti-gravity. Hold on. There we go. 9 minutes. Now I will leave it like this. Just control the movement of the telescope. And that's it. It will be like this right now. Where's the solar plasma at, Tiago? It's at the left side, at the eastern side of the sun. This is the eastern side, this is the western side. At the limb, I don't know, the plasma it's here. It's still here since the beginning, man. It formed this kind of tornado. Well, and then this flat surface, this is two-dimensional, but if you think in 3 dimensions, it looks like a flat surface that is bumping on something there that we can't see. There's nothing here. Can you imagine at a certain moment something big happening here or popping here and then vanishing? Man, this will be so crazy, man. That will be so crazy. Okay, we are almost there. 7 minutes and 50 seconds to go. It will start minute by minute, swallowing everything in the sun. That explosion will be enhanced for sure, Anna. I think when the eclipse will be swallowing it. Very nice to have that here today. I have waited for this day. Yes, me as well, man. I woke up, eclipse, immediately. Now it will be like this. Let me just do this. The countdown can't be smaller. I'll put the countdown here. Well, organizing. Organizing stuff. This has to be here because I have to control it. the countdown here. Well, as soon as it reaches 0, I will remove it. And the sun here, centered. We need it centered. Six minutes to go. Like this. That's the way I like it. That's the way I like it. There we go. 5 minutes to go. Hang on, because of the 7 seconds without gravity. Boomers are welcome here. Experienced people. It's happening, the sun is moving a lot. Thank you so much. Honey Bee Betty, thank you so much. We haven't lost gravity before. What would cause us to lose gravity now? Just curious. Well, everything wiped out. In Greece there is no totality, so I won't miss your live stream, Tiago. Thanks for the awesome journey. Look, thank you both of you for the super chat. Don't forget that this won't be... No, this is not the Eclipse chat. This is the vignette. This won't be 100%. Almost there. But it won't be 100%. I'm very close to totality. Just don't forget that. But you will watch weird stuff that you want in with other tools. There we go, there we go. 3 minutes to go. Oh, I have my glasses as well. At totality, I'll go for a minute outside. I have my glasses, my Eclipse glasses. They are very cool, man. They are very cool. 2 minutes to go. They are very cool. Look at them. I can't see you. Look. Very cool. I will go outside, of course, with them. 2 minutes to go. Well, roughly 2 minutes, because, you know. Thank you so much, Helen. Thank you so much for the super chat. Generation Serenians, the new generation where all generations are united. Well. Good one. I love it. 1 minute. Oof. The King Sun, man. Well, might be a few seconds earlier, my countdown. Just to make sure, you know. Roughly 1 minute to go. I remind you that we have an explosion, a massive explosion occurring in the eastern side of the limb of the sun. Right now that it's only visible because I'm using a special solar setup. Roughly 30 seconds. I think I put a bit earlier so we can make sure that we don't miss it. Might be 1 minute or so. Might be 1 minute or so earlier, my countdown. Okay, the countdown is over, so at any time. Now we will see this starting. And we will watch until the end. That's why I have the telescope at the roof. So at any moment... I'm keeping it centered. Let's see who's the first one to spot a shadow, the shadow of the moon. Almost there. Actually, it's at 42 and it's right now 41. So 6:41 right now here. So at 42 it's the beginning. So yes, I was in advance. But right now it's almost at 42, still on 41 minutes. 6:41 here on the south of Portugal, south of Europe, right in front of Africa continent. The scheduled eclipse is to start at 6:42 here, UTC +1 time. So we are at 6:41 and 6:42. Right now, 6:42 in my clock, atomic clock. So it should be visible at any moment. It will start slowly. Remember, these are roughly 2 hours of eclipse. It will cover the sun, then it will come back again. At any moment, we will see the moon biting the sun. I think it's already visible something here. At the right. The shape of the sun is getting weird here. Yes, it is. It's happening. Ladies and gentlemen, the freaking
Solar Eclipse.
It's happening. Look at the right side of the moon, of the sun. It's happening. And it will be visible all the way long. Look, I'm wondering about this region here. It's happening, it's happening. Awakening will be lifted. It's happening. Well, it's moving fast. There we go. There we go. Live. The Solar Eclipse 2026. Visible only in Greenland, Spain, parts of UK, Portugal. It's happening. Bam! It's happening. Look at the views are awesome, man. It's happening. It's happening. And this region still there. The explosion, you see, still there, man. The normal will be to have it fading. The normal behavior is ejecting plasma into space, then making a loop, coronal rain, plasma into the surface of the sun again, cooling down the loop, and disappear it. Merged with a chromosphere. It's not happening that. It's still there. It might be a
Freaking spaceship.
sucking all the energy. There we go. Little moon. The distance from the moon to the Earth, around 400,000 kilometers. Actually, it's 384,000 kilometers on average. It changes when the moon is at apogee, so it's far away from the Earth in its orbit. When it's closer in its orbit to the Earth, it's a perigee, so it fluctuates. But on average, 384,000 kilometers. The weirdness of it is that the sun has the same diameter. That's why the math match. And the moon cover all the disc, and we get the annular eclipse when it's an annular. This is not an annular, it's a total eclipse. And it has to be with that. When the moon looks smaller, because it's further away from us, in that position, the sun gets that disk visible, and we call the ring of fire that we watched here before, the ring of fire eclipse. It covers almost all, so we can have the prominences here. In totality, the moon is closer to us. That's why I cover a larger surface of the solar real estate. Physics. A giant freaking spaceship, yeah. Man, this is awesome. This is awesome. In a while I'll go out. Look, what was that? A bird? Or a
Freaking spaceship.
Call Boris from Ukraine. Boris, we found it. You're right. There are things around the moon. You saw it? Something crossing the... Well, this is recorded. So, it's live. Let me adjust. Slightly adjust. Alright. Don't move. Right there. Now we will do something. I will zoom. Hold on. Water. I will zoom here. Let me just make sure this doesn't move. I will zoom here with a different perspective of the chromosphere. Joshua, welcome to the Serenity. Welcome, Joshua. Thank you so much for joining us. Don't forget the members have on discord.gg/Dobsonian Power. You have access to our Discord. discord.gg/Dobsonian Power. There, you just have to connect your YouTube account to see what we write there. It's another benefit for explorers. Now, let's do something. I will change the exposure so we can see the chromosphere and not the prominences. Right? Right. Now I'll zoom here. If something bright occurs here, that means hot regions, but it's not happening. It's not happening. We can see the shape of the moon here. You see the sunspots, the filaments here, one here, another one here. Now let's do the opposite. To see the shape of the moon. Well, no spaceship, no. Look, 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 the explosion. Getting hotter. The spaceship is here. There we go, there we go. That is a big spaceship docked, anchored to the left side of the sun.
It's the mothership.
It's a mothership. For some reason during the eclipse they prefer, probably, I don't know. Who the heck knows? Who the heck knows, no? A freaking Pac-Man. It will be in a moment. Man, this will get right almost to the edge here. Mystical moment that ancient civilizations, evolved civilization in the past, imagine ancient civilizations that built, the real ones that built the pyramids everywhere in the world, not only on Egypt, with an intent. Watch these solar eclipses the way we are watching, not online, streaming, but with an naked eye. What will they think back that time? Should be something mystical, no? Gen X rules, and who the heck knows, man? And how it started. Let me just go for a second outside to see with the glasses. My goodness, it's so perfect there. Do you think it's worth it? I don't know if it's worth it. I forgot. I wanted to put the all-sky camera there. The all-sky camera, so you could see the effect of brightness. In my region, you know, I'm surrounded by nature and roads and whatever. I forgot that, man, to put the all-sky camera. Man, it's gorgeous, man. A naked eye, it's beautiful. Look, what was that? Again, something there. Weird things happening with the sun today. Do it, please. I can do it. Let me check the time. Well, Maybe I can do it quickly. Maybe I can do it quickly. Let me just adjust a bit. Because I will be outside. I think I can do it quickly, man. First, I have to pass the cable here. Hold on.
If you like this kind of content, remember to subscribe and hit the notification bell to stay up to date with videos and live streams.
Cable. Okay, the cable is outside. Now I will need to place the camera and plug it. I think I will need to place it at the roof. Hold on. Okay, I think it will be visible. Man. First time I do this like this. So this is well centered. Well, a bit more. Hold on. I will connect the other camera. We'll have both. Now. All right. I have no idea about the views. We'll see. The view. Where is it? No, it's not there. Where is the preview? Might not work with this. Well, I hope it doesn't mess with the eclipse. No. I'll try it the other way around. Let's see. Like this. Let's see like this. All right, all right, all right. All right, all right. Oh, it's so bright. Let's see. And I have to control everything. I think it messes with the other camera, no? No. Let me see the views here. Well, the sun is super bright here. We can't... Let me check this. Okay, this is it. It's very low in the sky. We will watch the sunset. Let me adjust here. I think it's working fine. Hold on. It might mess with the camera. With well, we hope not. And the priority is the eclipse, you know. I think it messes a bit with yeah, you see that glitch? If something happened, I immediately disconnected it. Disconnect it. Thank you, Dita. Peace and love to all Serenians. Thank you, thank you, thank you. There's the sun. You see the ground here? It's very low, the sun. Sunset almost. So we have at the left, with a special device, a solar telescope, very professional, we have the eclipse rolling, the moon here swallowing everything in the sun, and a massive explosion that you can see here. Still happening since the beginning of this live stream. Some speculation around it says it might be
a freaking spaceship.
refueling from the solar energy, aka plasma. And at the right, top right, we have the views of the surroundings here. This is my antenna with the Starlink and, you know, the sun here. This should be Venus. This should be Venus here. A small dot. I can check. I will check on mobile. I have so many things opening. Let me check on mobile. Because I believe that's Venus. Let me check. Let me check. And unique views, huh? Outside, the sun, prominences happening here. Mission control. Let me check. No, it's not Venus. Venus is at the left. Or will be at the left. It's on the eastern elongation. That, by the way, make sure you subscribe because we will watch the eastern elongation of Venus with my massive telescope, the Excalibur. We will watch Venus as we never watched it before. In ultraviolet.
Ultraviolet.
We will watch in ultraviolet. And what does that mean, Tiago? That means that you won't watch Venus as people usually show, like just a bright bulb. We will watch weird stuff on the surface of the clouds of Venus. Because you know that Venus is covered with clouds. That, by the way, are poisonous. Now, let me a second. I'll go outside again to watch with my sunglasses, my solar eclipse glasses. Gorgeous, man. With glasses looks like 3D. With the solar eclipse glasses. It looks like 3D, man. Gorgeous. I don't know what is it here. Ah, it's a... Huh? Should be a reflection, no? Here? What the heck? Is this here? It's the spaceship. It's a freaking spaceship. Venus should be here somewhere. Well. Weird. Here. Well, suspicious, no? Tears run dry. Where were you? I can't wait to go there outside when this covers more. This is crazy, man. The antenna. Do you want the antenna? Do you want the antenna? Special. Unique. Unique. In the Dobsonian Power Channel. Outside views. Views of the sun. And the freaking antenna. Ooh. It's crazy today. It's a radiation or what? Explorers are used to this antenna. It's not usual. We have a burp once in a while only. Man, this is unique, man.
Mission control to spaceship. Mission control to spaceship. Please respawn. Mission control to spaceship.
Okay, we've had a problem here. This is Houston. Say again, please. Houston, we've had a problem.
Mission control to spaceship. Mission control to spaceship. Please respawn.
There it comes, the black sun. Full spectrum. Yeah, we have the full spectrum here. What can I do more? Point the telescope. Well, the telescope is pointing already here. It's the solar. Point the telescope to the spaceship here. Are we gonna catch some UFO today? Of course, Phi Delta. After this live stream, you will immediately be forwarded to the UFO hunt with the Perseids meteor shower. That will be amazing, because remember the last UFO hunt? We watched the massive meteor crossing the screen. Thank you, Mulleron. Hey, Mulleron. Hey, Mulleron. Thank you for renewing 1 month. Oh, you see? Here? Explorers know how this works. Something is happening. Something is happening. Look, another one. This is unusual. Oof, and you saw the green flashlight here at the same time? Man, something is happening. You know, explorers, you know that we watch the sky with this antenna and radio astronomy, and this is unusual. You know. Another one. Where's the freaking spaceship? Let me change the exposure to watch the freaking spaceship here. There we go. With the external camera. Ooh, what was this? With these things here? Super unusual. It's a duck. Artifact. I'm moving the telescope to center. Quasar, thank you for the super chat. Hello dear Serenians, finally we could reach a good spot to watch here. We went near the beach but appear with clouds. Bad luck. It glitched for a second. It glitched for a second. Let's zoom out here. It's getting darker. This camera is amazing, man. And the one that I just ordered to watch the UFOs and the meteors and whatever. Thank you, Deborah Rees. Thank you so much for the super sticker. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Man, we listen to these things once in a while. At night. Whoa. And it's still here. The freaking spaceship sucking all the plasma. Do it now. It's the eclipse. It's the best part. Thank you so much, Sandy. It's super exciting. Super exciting, man. Super.
Ground control to spaceship. There's a message from Mr. Lonely 68. We are listening to you. Talk to us. There's the message. Roger.
Man, can it be? Can it be, Mr. Lonely? It's freaking awesome.
Freaking spaceship.
Look, you see, Mr. Lonely, they are answering. Why is that they always answer to you, Mr. Lonely? Look. And it did. In a few seconds, I'll go outside again with my sunglasses that are amazing. If it wasn't me doing this with you, I would be outside sitting there. Oh, another one. And a glitch. It's connected? No, but I'm moving the telescope. It can be... This glitch can be the camera or something, I don't know. But this is independent. This is radio astronomy. It's an antenna that I have. Thank you for becoming a member, Natas. Thank you so much. Sit down and relax. It's the right time to start today using your telepathic skills. Maybe? Is the antenna pointed at the sun, to the sky? It's pointing to the sky. It's not a directional one. Sylvia Hunt, so much, thank you. Thank you very much for everything you show and teach us. My appreciation. Thank you, thank you, thank you, Sylvia. Thank you so much for the super chat. Ooh, he likes it. Aliens like it.
Mission control to spaceship, thank you so much for your message received. Can you translate, please?
Man, I need a translator for this waterfall. Maybe an AI? Something? Deborah, thank you so much for gifting 5 new members. 5 new members to this spaceship. The Serenity. Ooh. It's very active today, isn't it, explorers? Again and again? Can it be the disturbances of, I don't know, this freaking eclipse, electromagnetic fields, quantum mechanics, whatever? Spaceships? Oh, let's adjust. They are moving the sun! Thank you, thank you, thank you. Happy Eclipse Day to you as well. Carlos Whispers to you as well. Thank you so much, Carlos Whisper. Look, and don't forget we have here a big explosion. Don't go away, son. A big explosion. Can it be that it won't swallow it? Because it's not 100%, it's like 90, almost 100. Sinful Clem, thank you so much. Thank you so much for gifting 10 new members to the crew of the Serenity. And also Quasar. Thank you, thank you, thank you, both of you. Can it be that the spaceship is gone? No, it's still there. It's still there, man. Look. It's still there. This is, for the ones that just joined us, we are watching in many ways the sun today, the solar eclipse. Mystical. From the south of Portugal, we are watching. This is a camera, an external camera that I'm using, an all-sky camera. I use it for hunting UFO in our series at night. Meteors that we will have after this live stream. So I recommend you to watch. And it's capturing something weird here. The idea was, during the live stream, the idea was for you to have a sense of the external environment that I have here during the eclipse. But it happened. This is a solar setup, very powerful one. A very powerful one that is pointing to the sun. Who was it? Who was it? Thank you, Thomas Hayes. Thank you again. Thank you again, and Natas as well. Thank you for the super chat, both of you. The moon is here. It's covering. The moon is here. It's covering the sun. It's between us and the sun. Zooming out. There we go. This is outside my house. This is over the roof. The telescope is at the roof as well. Solar device with hydrogen alpha views, so we can see the prominences, everything that happens. Thank you, Trust Toad. Thank you so much for gifting 5 new members as well. I don't know if it's a reflection, Ionis. Could be, that spaceship. Thank you so much, Thomas. 20 new Dobsonian Power memberships. Thank you, man. Croissant. Yeah. And at the left we have radio astronomy. A special antenna pointing towards the sky. With an SDR device and more hardware to capture radio waves that are happening now in the sky. The emitter of this antenna can be in Morocco, that is in Africa, right in front of me here, or either in Isla Canarias, Canary Island. In Canary Islands they have another emitter as well, and it's the closest emitter, it's the one in Africa, in Morocco. So they are always emitting, and when something crosses, I capture those emissions, and it beams. It does like a burp or something. What does that mean? I don't know. Nobody can explain to me. They don't know. If you ask to the quackery, they will say it's a duck. If you ask to someone that believes in extraterrestrial life, hardly, they will say it's a freaking spaceship. Now I'll go outside again. Hold on. With my solar glasses. Amazing. Everything looks much darker, and you can see here the darkness. It's much darker outside. I'll try to take a picture with a smartphone when it's even more. Thank you for renewing, Chigirl. Tiago, you are the only one showing the non-changing form on the left of the sun. Probably. This is a special setup that I have. And the good news is that I just ordered something to upgrade it to an even faster and better way to do it. So I won't have to be always here like adjusting or something. And it will be faster to mount it. And lighter as well. So we will have 2 eclipses next year. Visible from here. One in February, another one in August, in the 2nd of August. That one is the most important. And I'm in a privileged zone again. Man, it's super dark outside. I wonder what people that aren't aware of eclipse, because there are people that aren't aware of the eclipse. I wonder what they think. Well, it's going to rain or something. Because it's darker, but they don't see any clouds. Well. Let me check the exact time of the peak of it here in my... So we won't miss it. Hold on. I'm checking here. So the exact time will be maximum 7:38. So in 10 minutes, it will be the maximum of the solar eclipse. 10 minutes. Now it's 7:29, 9 minutes. At 7:38 here, it's UTC plus 1 time, will be the maximum of the eclipse. Can it be that the spaceship's still there? No, it's dark now. It's dark. And this is so cool. Now it's over the noises here in the radio waves. Man, give a like, it's free. So many people here, it's free, it's just push a button. Look, you see? I talked and something happened.
If you're enjoying the show, remember to give it a like to spread it all over the world.
Don't be greedy, man. Just a like. It's something that is not... the universe will give it back to you. Don't destroy your phone. No, when it's in the maximum, it will be fine. It's getting darker. Look at this, man. And outside it's weird. It's a weird darkness. It's not the end of times, nothing. This will be amazing. Tomorrow will be an even better day. Don't worry. Smash that like button. Look. The freaking explosion still here. Look at this, man. Still here. In the sun. You won't see this anywhere. Because this is a special device I prepared for you. Thank you, spreading love. The universe will give it back to you. Look, it's getting weird, like beep, beep, beep. This is freaking unusual. Or maybe they are meteors. There are meteors already, you know, from the Perseids. Can be that as well. But should be at night and during, you know, in a few hours only. Thank you, Soeiro, thank you. Look, another one. The thing with the radio is that this is unusual. You know, we watch this radio wave. Look, now it's beep, beep. Look. It's weird. Oh, another one. This is freaking weird. It's getting night, it smells like rain. Yeah, it's crazy. 32, so it's at 30. 38 will be the maximum. So in 6 minutes. Thank you for the super chat though. What a crazy way to watch this, man, with this explosion. No. Here? Really crazy, man. It is freaking unique. It's the first time with this setup that I watch an eclipse. I'm amazed. And this always burping here. What's happening today? We are used to this, but once in a while. I wondered, after this stream, I will open the stream of the Perseids. I wonder if this will be like crazy, the waterfall. Well, after the stream, I will immediately order my dinner. Man, wow, do you see a demo face? I see a smile here. Man, what different things we see, man. Different perspectives. I see a smile here. Look at this, a smile with a tongue. Want the demon face? Where? No. Look at the shape of the moon. Now it's clear. The crater's there. Very cool, man. Thank you, Fanter. Thank you. Schumann resonance. Let's see. But it's not on in real time. Be aware. Very quickly. 2 spikes here of very quickly because it's getting at the maximum in a few minutes and I want to go outside. Slowly adjust this. Look how dark it is now. Thunderstorms there, well. Spaceship or mothership is cloaked with some type. Thin clouds. One day soon, cloaking no longer needed. Patiently waiting for that day to come. Me as well. Stick with us. That they might surprise us. Maybe tonight. Who knows? AV Miller, thank you so much for the super sticker. Make a wish when you go outside. I will. 35. 35 and the maximum will be at 38. 36. Ooh. This is crazy, man. I'm loving it. But with the glasses, I tell you that it's like 3D, man. Ooh, it's coming. How can it be sinister, man? It's all in your head. This is a smile with a tongue here. That emoji. It's super funny. You are handling this well, doing great, making it look easy. Thank you for your hard work. No better sit and here with you all in the serenity. Thank you so much, Capri. That means so much to me. Thank you. So 37. I'll go outside 2 minutes. Hold on.
If you like this kind of content, remember to subscribe and hit the notification bell to stay up to date with videos and live streams.
With a smartphone. Amazing. And what's happening with look. The prominence here being swallowed. What an amazing view, man. Snapshot. Snapshot. What an amazing view, man. It smells like fire. Outside, it should be a fire here. It's being swallowed. It's being swallowed. Man, it's so cool. Why does the solar flare coming from the sun look like a face? Well, I don't know. It's our brain. Look, 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 look. It's being swallowed. What an amazing stuff, man. I will take off the all sky so it gets lighter, this. Let me check. Where is it? Here, you see the darkness? I will turn it off, man. Swallow it here. The prominence. Look at the craters of the moon, those mountains, the structures.
The cities.
They're visible. It swallowed everything here. It is not a line, exactly a line, because this has no. I don't have the 100% here in my location. No, but it's cool, no? How cool is it, no? Thank you, Steve. Thank you so much for becoming a super explorer, man. Thank you, thank you, thank you. A high tier here. Steve, thank you so much. Let's just play a bit with exposure to see if we can see anything. Look, look, there's another one there. There's another one here. The trident here. This is so cool. Adjust this. What's this? Look, 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 look. Here. Plasma. It's plasma here. Thank you, Paris Diamonds. Thank you so much. Looks like a smooth surface moon. Yeah, it's smooth. Well, it's certainly a unique way to watch this freaking eclipse. Tiago, do you have a solar lens on your tele? On the telescope, Paris Diamonds. I don't have a solar lens. I have a solar device with full of different filters, special filters to watch the sun like this. And different lenses. Yes. It's a very cool and professional solar telescope that I have. And it will be even better now that I purchased something. We'll see. We'll see. When the sun does something again. And I receive that material, you'll see. And like this. Oh, it's better like this. We want to watch the plasma exploding. Oh. So we will have around 40 minutes more of this. I do it, Missy Lager. I reinvest so I can have better views. Anyone spot Nibiru yet? Well, maybe. Maybe we spotted it. Oh, but we didn't get it. Maybe it's reflecting the light of, in the moon there. Welcome, Samantha. Well, tonight, after this live stream, I will point to north. Because the Perseus constellation, which is the radiant of the meteor shower, the Perseids, it's towards northeast. Thank you, Laura. Thank you so much for the super sticker, Laura Leach. Thank you so much. The peak of the shooting star, it's during the night. The more deep into the night, the better. I will be sleeping probably. I will be with you after my dinner with Perseids. Then I will sleep and I will leave it rolling. That moon machine is powering up from the sun. Can be. Can be the moment of the eclipse, the moment that the hollow moon. No. What SDR, LNA and antenna are you using, Steve? I'll post it here in the chat. Hold on. The link it's at dobsonianpower.com. Okay, you go to dobsonianpower.com. You scroll down till the end, and there's the radio astronomy stuff that I have. Radio astronomy. The antenna, the SDR, the filters. Now I'm not using any filter. I think I will have pizza. Well, maybe. Maybe I'll do it. I will order after this live stream. The alien base is on the dark side, probably. Probably underground, Rootcat. No. Makes more sense underground. This is crazy, man. And we still have explosions here. Did you see? The moon made a movement to the right then and now to the left. It's weird. Still covering that explosion here. There we go with the burps. Again. Oh. Pizza with onions and peppers and mushrooms, yeah. I'm in that team. Pineapple. Well, I can do a poll. I can do a poll. Reset. Ooh. There's a poll there. Pineapple on pizza? Hashtag yes in the chat if you think pineapple should be on pizza. Hashtag no in the chat if you think no way I will eat any pizza with pineapple. You can vote. For the ones that are new here, we do these kind of polls, not with pizza, but, well, usually with other anomalies in space. So just to have a sense of what should be the truth in pizza. It's important, very important, because I think I will order pizza. You are talking about pizza. Thank you very much for this live stream. You are an awesome person. Thank you, Julie B. Thank you so much. You are all also awesome persons here, man. I can feel it. And thank you for the support. Thank you. Well, it's winning. I am here in London, UK. It was a partial and was great. I've seen other channels, everyone. Nowhere good as yours. Thank you. Well, I do my best to provide you the best space views. And I'm a space channel. Thank you so much, Harley. Well, I won't order the pizza with pineapple. Mine will be... I'll tell you. I will order it here, live. The country is clearly divided about this so important issue. It is, and it's polarized. It's polarized, man. Ooh. Oy, 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 oy. Now it's going to the other side. We will watch the explosion only after the eclipse ended. Well, I have to tell you that it will end 3 minutes after sunset, so we won't see the final shadow by 3 minutes. How many people just ordered pizza? Man, I'm salivating already. I'm salivating. center this. Like this. It's the only thing that I don't like in this setup that I have. It's that I have to be correcting everything. Let me check outside. How's the ambience? Oof! I'll see the spaceship. Well, less darkness. Let me check the air conditioner. Shine laser onto the moon. I don't have it. I have it on the telescope. I ordered one, but it didn't arrive yet. Paris. The one that is stick with the telescope attached there. I can't remove it. Well, it's fine right now. So pizza with pineapple, you said. Eat one. Well, I didn't see anything flying here. Well, now I will remove the antenna. To let your brain settle a bit and put some music. To recalibrate the brain, otherwise it's a bit, you know. It gets like, we get like hypnotized. And it's a long time here with this eclipse, and after this we'll have the Perseids meteor shower. Bye bye antenna. Yeah, well, the best part was during the eclipse. It's very active, the antenna, but I think it might be because of meteors. We'll check that in the next live stream after this one. We'll check that, if that's true or not. You got overload. Yeah, sometimes it's everything that it's everything in life that it's more than enough will be eclipse party. Well, 8 p.m. So this will be until, well, 30 more minutes. "30 more minutes of eclipse. Then I'll order my dinner." real-time views of the solar eclipse 2026 over the Iberian Peninsula in the south of Europe from Algarve, Portugal. Special device, solar telescope, where you can see not only the eclipse, the moon covering the surface of the sun, but also the prominences that occur, the explosions of plasma occurring in the sun. Let me check the solar activity. Let me check the solar activity right now. No major flares. We have a coronal hole there. And the activity, it's all here in this feature that we could see here in this side of the sun, but it's covered right now by the moon. I don't know what I will order for dinner. Let me check. Maybe pizza. And we have the planetary alignment as well. So it will be after this live stream. It will be dark. And I'll be streaming the meteor shower. And planetary alignment and UFO hunt, as we do usually on those series here on the channel. So let's see what they have available. Yeah, I think I will order pizza. Not right now, but before this live stream ends. When the sun, that is on sunset now, when the sun goes down and the moon moves on out of the position between us and the sun. Pizza. La mama. Let's see what they have in the app. What pizza will be? Pizza Hut? No. I'm tired of Pizza Hut. It will be this one, a local one. Although I love the garlic bread from Pizza Hut. I don't know. You are all coming to Italy with me. I'll make you eat a good pizza, not pineapple. Of course not. Italy, it's the queen of the pizza. Let me see if they have that garlic bread that I love. Yeah, they have. Well. We want to see... No, I don't eat in front of the camera. I don't like. I will be following the live stream, but... Well, they have a box here. I'm salivating already. Tandoori chicken. They don't have here. Well, I have Indian restaurants. I like that food. Box. I have a box here. Customized. Pineapple, do you want to... No. So, mushrooms. And... ham. Okay, it's ready to go. I will just wait a bit more for the eclipse to finish. I can see that the sun, now that is like boiling, it's because it's very, very close to the horizon. It's the atmosphere effect, the turbulence. A grilled steak. I did that at my lunch. With chips. Mushrooms and ham. And cheese and tomato. Don't fight because of a pizza. Grilled steak, yeah. I made one. Well, actually two. My lunch. Well, it's all prepared, just pay and order. I will leave it pending here. We still have loads of moon over the sun. When the moon hits the sun, we'll have great pizza. Nibiru is causing this eclipse. It's the moon, man. It's the moon. We track the moon here, we know that. Not saying that Nibiru doesn't exist though. Let me check outside if the sun is very low. Yes, it is low, let me show you. Then I will remove this camera, because this will be used to the meteor shower. Where is it? Look, 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 look. Look, look. Birds. This is not working very well. I will have to crank up this because it's the sunset, you know. I'll open the other one to watch outside. Look, you see the sun very low? Hold on. You see it very low in the sky now? I will remove that camera because I will use it for the meteor shower. Close. Recenter. And back in a moment.
If you like this kind of content, remember to subscribe and hit the notification bell to stay up to date with videos and live streams.
What's that? Oh, that's the cables. The cables. It's getting weird, the image, because of the atmosphere. It's very low, the sun. Look, more cables here. Will explosions still be going on? Look, the trees. The trees there. These are the last moments. 10 minutes or so. Last moments. What a strange view. Last moments of the eclipse here. Yeah, we can see it moving. It's a different effect when we see the ground, no, or the ocean as well, because the contrast is higher and it's the earth here, and we can see the movement faster. It's very, very strange, and the cables here. It's very strange. Ordering pizza in 3, 2, 1. Don't forget that I will open right away the other one as soon as the sun disappears. Oh, so fast, man. A little bit of the eclipse here and over. It was amazing, amazing, amazing. Look how fast it goes. How fast it goes. We could watch it until the end. Ordering pizza right away. I will open first the live stream. Well, no, I will order right away. Hold on. Paying. Wait a moment. Payment done. Bam. Pizza Hut will be today. Well, this should be someone. Let me close this one. Now I'll have to open the other one, and you will be forwarded right away to there. That one. Hold on. Hold on just a minute. Accept it. And the ones that